Hello and welcome to the React crash course. This is Bharat Tipireddy. I am a software architect and best-selling instructor. From this React course, you will not only master all the fundamentals of React, but you will also create RESTful APIs using Express.js as well as Java Spring Boot. You will then consume those RESTful APIs by creating a React frontend. You will also be working on a couple of use cases, namely flight reservation and flight check-in, where you will apply all the knowledge that you have gained from this course. This course is for all those students who have completed my advanced JavaScript and ES6 free course, or for anybody with good JavaScript and ES6 background.
You will start this course by learning what single page applications are, what React is, and why React is such a popular single page application development library. You will then do the easy software setup that is required to work on all the hands-on lectures throughout the course. You will then create your very first React script by importing all the React libraries and use React DOM to render HTML dynamically onto the web browser. Components are the heart of every React application. They are reusable UI widgets that you develop. You will learn how to create components, how to add properties or attributes to a component, and you will also work on complex components, and you will be using ES6 for loops, map methods, etc. while you do that to render different types of HTML elements onto the UI. You will then move on to learn event management, because every single page application should handle the user events. You will master how to handle the events and also how to access HTML DOM elements within your event handler functions. As the user interacts with your application, the state of application will change. You will learn how to initialize the state, update the state, and then you will see how React automatically renders the current state every time the state gets updated. Styling is super easy when you work with React. You can use the classic HTML styling as well as React offers object-oriented styling. You will master both of those. You will also learn several cool JSX features that React uses. You will then learn how to make AJAX calls to a RESTful application. You will create your own RESTful backend using Express.js. You will consume that RESTful backend through your React app, and while doing that, you will master how to use the routing module to navigate through the application. Last but not the least, we'll work on a flight reservation and flight check-in use case, where you will develop a Java backend RESTful API, and you will develop a React frontend, two different applications, one for the flight reservation and another one for flight check-in. So enroll now and master React.js.